Okay guys, I'm back. There isn't gonna be a team of the week this week, I think. So I've decided to open 10 of these 750 coins pack. And yeah, let's go. I hope they will give me a good player. And we will see. This is the first pack. Come on. Give me someone good, EA. Come on. Milito. Oh. Doumbia. Milito. Giroud. Not bad, not bad. That's definitely not bad. Okay. Pack number 2. I won't look this time. I hope I'll get someone good. Come on. Who is it gonna be? Is it someone good? I will look now. Wow. Okay. This is shit. No. Come on, the third pack. Boya Valero, Gilardino, and yeah, that's probably it. Okay, pack number 4. Danilo and Fernando. Oh, he's from Manchester City. He must be worth a lot. And he's from Manchester City also. I'll discard rest. Sabaleta, again from Manchester City. I don't like Manchester City anyway, but I just don't like them. I don't know why, but I don't like them. This will be pack number 6. I haven't got someone good, so give me Falcao or Robben, or maybe Messi or something. Nope, no one. Well, I hasn't expected to get someone good. Yeah, come on. Come on. Please give me Robben. Please. Please. Lajic and Ben Arfa. He is 5-star skill. Nice. I'll keep him. Hey. Free gold pack. That's nice. So this will be our 7th pack, I think. And Gomez, he isn't good. This is again a shit pack. Yeah, if you want me to do more pack opening, leave a comment or a like or subscribe is also good. And oh, Tim Cahill from Chelsea and Cabaya from Paris Saint-Germain. That's nice. And a free World Cup pack. So this will be probably our last pack. I think this is number 10. I hope so. This is a Messi pack, so I hope I will get Messi. Come on, give me someone good. Bender. And he's duplicate also. Fuck it. This pack opening was shit. Well, leave a comment, like or subscribe. I'll check you guys later.